Okay, my mistake. It is definitely not a 10 millimeter. It is an 8 millimeter. And that's what you're going to need to get this thing off. And I already started loosening it. It's not on there tight at all. It's like I call finger tight. Now I can't. The clearance is so tight. There we go. So let's just see if we can get this off by hand. You don't even have to take it all the way off. Okay. And then it just kind of fits in there like that. See, it's got this little 2 90-degree bends, and it just fits right into that little arm right there. So when you get the new one, you just put it on the same way. You want to pull it on through here. Okay, so we'll see the difference between the one that came on the mower and the new one. Oh, there we go. So, there we go. Now they're at least in the same position. So you can see this one is connected, and this one is snapped. So this is garbage.